My name is Saiasmi Gupta. I'm 8 years old. Oh, sorry. I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, subscribe, and press the notification bell as well beside it. So today is a surprise for you, and I'm going to play piano. So this song's name is for Elise, and it's by Beethoven. So this is just a tune, and it's really relaxing and a really good tune. It is one of mine and my mother's favorite tune. So Mama, this video is for you. If you like it, comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. Love you, Mama. So now, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, start! Okay, Mama. So guys, this was this tune. It was really good. I was like in a dream, and it was really good, and I was having the fun, and I was so happy. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Comment if you like it. Please like and share. If you will do all these things, it will motivate me a lot. So please guys, do these and do whatever you want to do. Thank you guys. Bye. See you soon in my next guitar, piano, or Python videos. Okay, bye guys. See you soon. Stay safe.